Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We, Today in this video we will learn the 5 major types of chemical reactions from class 10 chapter 1, explained with tricks, real life examples and easy steps. So let's get started. Now the first reaction is combination reaction. Combination reaction. What is combination reaction? Two or more substances to form a single compound. When two or more substances combine to form a single compound. What is its journal form? Its journal form is A plus B to form AB. What is happening over here? Two substances are combining to form a single compound. Let's now consider an example. If we consider example, it is CaO plus H2O, quicklime plus water. It will combine to form CaOH whole twice. It is slaked lime. This is quicklime plus water to form slaked lime. And what is its real life use? Its real life is whitewashing walls. This reaction releases heat, so it is exothermic reaction. Where it is used? Whitewashing, walls, and it is exothermic reaction. As it releases heat, so it is exothermic reaction. Another example is C plus O2 to form CO2. So these are the examples of combination reactions. And what is the trick to remember it? What is the trick to remember? Trick to remember is two reactants become one product, which means combination. Two reactants becomes one product. Whenever the two reactants will become one product, then it will be the combination reaction. It will be combination reactions. Now, number 2 is decomposition reaction. Number 2 is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, one compound break into two or more simpler substances. One compound breaks into two or more simpler substances. What is its journal form? Its journal form is AB, and it will break into two or more simpler substances. Example, thermal decomposition. Its example is thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. When we heat ferrous sulfate to Fe, SO4, and it will decompose into Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Another example, photolytic decomposition. Photolytic decomposition. AgCl, it will form Ag plus Cl2 in sunlight. It is used in black and white photography. We can take one more example, electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition. Two H2O to form 2H2 plus O2 by electrolysis. These reactions needs heat, light, and or electricity. Here the trick to remember is one breaks into two or more, then it will be decomposition. What was combination? When two reactants were combining to form a single product. And what is decomposition? One breaks into two or more substances. So it is decomposition reaction. After this, displacement reaction. Number third is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? In displacement reaction, a more effective element displaces a less reactive one from its compound. A more effective, a more reactive element displaces a less reactive one from its compound. What is its journal form? Its journal form is A plus BC to form AC plus B. Let us take an example. Zn plus CuSO4. Here zinc is more reactive than copper, so it displaces the copper. What we will get? ZnSO4 plus Cu. More reactive element displaces the less reactive element from its compound. Let us see another example. Another example is Fe plus CuSO4. What it will form? It will form FeSO4 plus C. Displacement reaction is based on reactivity series of metals. So for this we should know reactivity series of metals. More reactive element will displace less reactive element. And what is its real life use? Real life uses purification of metals and purification of metals and extracting metals. And what is the trick to remember? Here the trick will be a stronger element kicks a stronger element kicks weaker one out. Weaker one out. So after this we come to number 4, double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. What is the definition of double displacement reaction? The definition, double displacement reaction, two compounds react by exchanging. Here two compounds react by exchanging ions to form two new compounds. What is happening over here? Two compounds are reacting by exchanging. Two compounds react by exchanging ions to form two new compounds. What is its journal form? Its journal form is AB plus CD, and it will form AD plus CB. It is its journal form. Now let us see examples. NaSO4 plus BaCl2, it will form BaSO4 plus twice of NaCl. And what will happen? A white precipitate of BaSO4 forms. White precipitate of BaSO4 forms. It is also called a precipitation reaction if an insoluble solid forms. If an insoluble solid forms, then it is also called precipitation reaction. Let us see another example. AgNO3 plus NaCl to form AgCl plus NaNO3. And what is the trick? Trick here is to switch partners. Switch partners, then it will be double displacement. Here these are switching the partners. Next is redox reaction. Redox reaction. What is redox reaction? A reaction where oxidation and reduction occurs together. Where oxidation and reduction occurs together. Example: CuO plus H2 to form Cu plus H2O. what is happening here? CuO is reduced to Cu and H2 is oxidized to H2O. So this is redox reaction. Let's see another example. Zn plus CuSO4 to form ZnSO4 plus Cu. Here Zn is oxidized and Cu is reduced. Oxidation is here the trick is OIL and RIG. Oxidation is loss and reduction is gain. Oxidation is loss of electrons and reduction is gain of electrons. All displacement reactions are redox reactions. Point to remember, all displacement reactions are redox reactions. But not all redox reactions are displacement reaction. Now let's test your understanding. Comment your answers below. The first question is, what type of reaction is AgNO3 plus NaCl and AgCl plus NaNO3? Number 2, which type of reaction is used in whitewashing? And number 3, Zn plus CuSO4, Zn to form ZnSO4 plus U, which element is displaced? So that was your full guide to the types of chemical reactions. Try writing 2 examples of each type in your notebook. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Conceptify Chemistry and Maths, your home for simple science and maths. Thank you.